We got the mini train here, and we are off to Paya Laber to do some, well, for lunch. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but hey, we're just leaving the house. I've been working, editing, so we're gonna go and do some more work so I can do some more editing. Well, here we are at the Sing Post Centre again. You might remember this place from such vlogs as about a week ago I did one. And we went to the Carl's Jr. here to do a food review. But today I think we're going to try and do another food review because there's some food here that I want to try. Now, one of my subscribers says that she's been working in the post office for 32 years and she wanted to see a Singaporean post office. Well, here's one. Look how beautiful it is. There's lots of space in here. They've got a clock. They haven't got much of a selection of postal things. That's about it. And there's no like junk lanes filled up full of crap everywhere that they're trying to sell you. All that rubbish. This is quite a neat little tidy one, that's for sure. But I must say that this isn't your standard post office. This one's really nice and neat. The ones that you go into that are in the general shopping malls are a lot worse, trust me. I've been in them. But they don't sell all the crap like the ones that we have do. Although right next to this post office is a store, a postal store, so they keep it separate. There's Monkey. Well, I just had some lunch. Well, we just had some lunch. And I don't know what you're going to do next. Did you notice something else about me? If you have, let me know down below. So we're at the Michelin star restaurant that we came to the other time. And they have this free tasting. Remember, they didn't have it last time. And this is handcrafted meaty noodles. Made of meat. A little bit like me. Let's try. Oh, that's worth 5 Michelin stars. Not really. Oh, it's a nice hot soup though. Here, Bernice, you try some.
It's hot.
10 Michelin stars, you reckon?
They're dumplings inside.
Oh yeah, I know. Pretty average, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is not Michelin star. I reckon they made that Michelin star up, to be quite honest. That's good. Thank you. Yeah. Ugh. How did that get a Michelin star? If that gets a Michelin star, Greg's Kitchen should have 20 million Michelin stars. Oh, that's how you do it. Actually, I'm glad I just didn't break it and like jump on it and go right through it. Okay, well, where do we go next? It's overcast and cloudy, but warm. Hey, there's a Carl's Jr. I went and did a review at. Look how packed it is. See all the extra business I brought it? That's the power of the Grego. So have a look at this. They've got Tasmanian salmon for $14.90 a kilo. Here it is here. At home we pay $28 a kilo. So can somebody please explain why they only charge half as much here as they do at home, and it's 7 hours flying. No, it's probably 10 hours flying from Tasmania. If you know, let me know down below because I don't know. Here we go, $2.95 for some Singapore chicken laksa chips. Wow. And over here, they've got chicken in a biscuit original. Wow, $3.20. Do you want some? Right, he's making something. Right, he's put some oil in the wok to heat it up. What's he going to do next? Cleaning a bit. Right. Oh, got an egg. He's cracked an egg, 2 eggs. He's got 2 eggs there. He's taken out some of the shell. Good on you, mate. That'll probably help. Heats that wok up and gently adds the eggs in. Oh, look at those frying away. That looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. Yum. So he's going to fry those for a bit. Yep. Oh, bit of a flip. Yep. Oopsie daisy. Yep. Yeah, nice wrist action. Oh, and look at that, scramble. Oh, there in goes some mushies. That looks alright. Mushroom omelette. That's what he's making. Oh, yeah. All he needs now is some... Oh, there we go, some rice and... What's that? Beef heart. Looks like roast beef or something.
Yeah, roasting.
So he's whacked some roast beef in with some cooked rice. Give that a shazizzle. Warm all that stuff up. Ooh, that's making me hungry. If you're getting hungry, let me know down below, because I tell you what, my stomach is churning just at the thought of diving into that. Whoa! And our mate next to him's going Burko. Holy cow! What's he? He's got he's having an epileptic fit. This guy. Oh no! Oh, so what's he added then? Some soy sauce and some spring onions. A little bit more of a shalizzle. Oh yeah, that's the way, mate. You're doing a good job so far. I want to feel add something else. I'm guessing a teaspoon of salt. What do you reckon? Or he might not, unless the corned beef's salty. Oh no, he's having a fit. Oh no, that's it, done. Have a look at that, fellas. There you go. There's lunch for someone. Or dinner. What time's it? 6:14.
Everybody's waiting.
Look at the queue waiting. They must do all right. What's that place called? Wok Hey. Wok Hey. Sounds good. We should go there one day. To the Wok Hey. Right, let's go somewhere else. So we are in Paya Laber, and this is Geylang Road. And it is very popular for ladies of the night. They frequent this road, so if you're ever in town, you want a night out or something, this is where you'd come. And it's got clubs here too, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's lots of clubs and all sorts of things happen in this road. So we're going to go for a bit of a wander up here and see what it's like. Now this place is also very popular for foodies, as it's loaded full of restaurants as well. A lot of Chinese restaurants, because there's a lot of Chinese prostitutes here apparently. So just walking down the street, and look, here's a seafood supplier. There's like heaps of mussels here, and here's Australian abalone. Have a look at it. I didn't even know that's what an abalone was. We've got a few tanks of those. Very interesting. You learn things when you travel. You learn. That's why I love traveling, because traveling equals learning. And I love learning, unless it's like actual work learning. No, I won't do that. Nah. But if it's fun learning, then I will do that. Oh look, are they your houses that you burn for your ancestors? Probably. Go! Oh, porridge restaurant. Look at this Ladyboy Steamboat Mukata and cheese. Whoa, that sounds tasty. Ladyboy cheese. I'm not even touching that. But let's see how much petrol costs here in Singapore. I don't know. Oh, here we go. $1.67 for diesel, $2.58 for Supreme, $2.19 for regular. So $2.19, we probably pay $1.19. That'd be like $2.10 a litre for petrol. That's the price. So along the road here, you'll find some Chinese supermarkets, because apparently a lot of Chinese are moving here. But I tell you what, they have got the cheap beers here. That's like $4 in the other shop, or $3.80 or something. It's only $3 here. They got a whole variety. $3, $3, $3.10. And they got sell cartons too. What more do you want, mate? Oh, these Chinese supermarkets. Look at it. Looks like you're in Russia or something, or maybe North Korea. Look at the shelves. Oh, look, they got 10 eggs for $1 here. They got all your fruit and veg. Look at these shelves. Look at this stacked in separate things. You think they could like at least have more items or something. 60 cents for a can. Look at this. Oh, that's Pepsi. Look how funny this is. This is very unusual. Ah, very unusual. See what else they got. See what other shelving experience that they have. Ah, noodles. Your soy sauce collection with the oil. Yeah, look at this. Where's the stuff you burn? Nappies and toiletries. Well, now I've seen it all. And have a look, this goes all the way back there. Classic. Good old Chinese, mate. You gotta love them, don't you? Well, it's a very nice sunset here tonight. Sort of waiting for the sun to go down so all the lights will come out. But we should go and find somewhere and sit and have a beer. What do you reckon, Bernice? Sure. Sounds good. Cheers, everyone. Thanks to all my beer funders. This is for you. Oh, tell you what, that Tiger is a good beer. It's nice, it's quite malty, with a hint of hop, but nice colour. Really tasty, really nice. 4.8% or 5%. Who cares? It's a good tasting beer. Make sure you go and give one a go. Singapore's home. Cheers. So here's another one of those Chinese offering burning shops. And take a look at this. They've got over here, have a look. They've got like a dog in a doghouse. And over here, they've got like a shopping centre. And here we've got a mansion. And here we've got a beautiful mansion. It's got the dog, it's got the car. You've got a driver here.
The furniture.
You've got all the furniture inside the house. And on the veranda, you've got like a maid. You got a swimming pool. Mate, this is the one I'd be getting. It covers all the bases. If I die, baby, you send me this one, okay?
You want the shopping center?
You burn me no, that's what I'd send to you. I'd send you the shopping center. But you send me the mansion. And the maid and the driver and the car.
I'll send you the electric scooter.
The electric, oh, they got one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you want a jackpot machine?
The jackpot machine. Oh my god. Look, they got flat screen TVs, walking canes, jets. Classic. Chinese, mate. Gotta love it. Well, we're tucking into dinner now and we're having some dim sum. Looks pretty good. Yumma.
The Chinaman.
Alright, well, here are some brothels. And we saw some people gambling before, but I won't take too much footage because I might get stabbed. But this is what it's like. So down the side alleys, there's plenty of brothels down there. There's dozens of them. And you just walk in and there's girls and you pick from them. Apparently, I don't know. Just what I'm told. But it's legal here, and yeah, it's you feel pretty safe as well. In fact, Singapore has got the second lowest crime rate in the world, behind Tokyo. Anyway, that was Geylang. It was pretty nice. Geylang. Gay something. It's a nice long street. It's got nice old buildings and architecture as well. Lots of nightclubs. It looks like a fun place to come. If you're a guy or a girl wanting to, I don't know. Who knows? Up to you. So Bernice has bought some Gong Cha. We're at the Gong Cha bubble tea shop. Have I tried Gong Cha before? I'm sure I have. I've tried lots of bubble teas.
You didn't like it.
Hey! Oh, what do we have by the Waterway Point?
It's another brand.
Still, it's bubble tea, isn't it?
No.
Oh, that's forceful. And this is oolong tea, oolong milk tea. It's one of Bernice's favourites. Okay, I'll try some. Tastes like cold milk tea. A little hint of sugar.
I put 50% sugar. You can choose your sugar level.
There you go. We chose diabetes. That's good, babe. Well, it's 10:45. It's a pretty big day today. That's all. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.